Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we'll be going over our professional line of ceramic coating, which is carbon forged ceramic protective paint coating system. Carbon forged is our professional line that we offer here at Chemical Guys. It's a durable ceramic coating that lasts up to 5 years. But before we get into this video, I just want to mention that we already went and took 3 crucial steps before we apply any type of ceramic coating to this paint, which is we washed it with clean slate. Step 2 was cleaning the surface. We just wanted to clay the surface to remove the contamination, and then we also went ahead and polished it. If you guys want to see those steps on how to properly do it to your car, just check the link down below. We'll link more videos down there. But in this video, we're going over the full benefits on applying a ceramic coating to your paint. Let's start off with why you need it. To start off, a ceramic coating has an anti-scratch technology like our carbon forged, as well as hyperactive water beading. So you come into contact with a lot of rain, water, sprinklers, anything that lands on it is just simply going to glide right off and is not actually going to embed itself into the clear coat. It also has an anti-stick technology, which is going to keep your car cleaner for much longer. It's going to make washing 10 times easier, and anything that comes into contact with your car is not going to stick hard onto your clear coat. So everybody out there already knows about sprinklers. You park your car, the sprinklers get you, they harden over time, and now you have this white effect. Well, carbon forged ceramic protective coating system is actually going to prevent all of that. All right guys, so before we get into the application process on actually how to apply it, I'll go over what comes inside the carbon forged protective coating system box. So as you guys can see, it has a cool box. You actually see the ceramic coating right here. You can see your microsuede applicators here. It actually comes with 3 microsuede applicators, so all you want to do is just open up the flap, and then it has cool instructions on the back as well. So if you want to pause the video at any given time, or you have a protective coating system, just follow the steps on the back, and then also give you a quick rundown. But in this video, we'll show you guys how to properly apply it. So it comes with 3 microsuede applicators. These microsuede applicators has a tag. Before using it, just remove it. In this occasion, I'm only going to be using 1 applicator, but I'll just bring out all 3 of them just so you can see what type of applicators you actually get. So they're microsuede applicators that's going to allow you to spread carbon forged evenly throughout the whole entire paint. There's 3 of them just in case you have a full size, because you need to keep this in mind. Carbon forged ceramic coating is going to harden onto your paint. So if it starts hardening onto your applicator, just get a secondary applicator, continue your application process, and like this, you get a scratch-free finish and you get the perfect shine. So I'll just remove the flap and take out carbon forged. So this is a ceramic coating that's going to harden onto your paint. As you guys can see, it comes in a glass bottle because it's going to harden, and we want to prevent any air to get inside of it so it won't harden. So I'll put this right here. And then how do you actually apply carbon forged? Before we get into the application process, there's also going to be certain items you need to wear while you're applying this ceramic coating. One is going to be eyewear. So I'll throw these on. Second is going to be gloves. So just put these on my hand. And now that we have our gloves and eyewear on, now we get into the application process. Before we get into the application process is Wipeout. So the reason why you want to use Wipeout, it's a surface cleanser that's going to remove any oils that might have sat on the hood that was released by polishes, glazes, sealants, or waxes. We just want to make sure we have a true finish so the application process can actually bond onto the actual clear coat and it doesn't fail over time. So how do you actually use Wipeout? All you need to do is just grab your bottle, a clean microfiber towel. This microfiber towel actually has 2 different types of piles. It has a long pile and a short pile. In this occasion, since I'm using Wipeout, I'll be using the long pile, and then to buff off carbon forged, obviously I'll be using the shorter pile. So all you want to do is just go to the area, you'll lightly mist it, you'll grab your clean microfiber towel, and just buff off the residue. So like this, you make sure you remove any types of oils that was left behind, and whenever you come to apply your carbon forged, it's going to bond properly onto the paint. So let me just finish wiping on that side, and then I'll get back to you guys to apply carbon forged. Wipeout did an amazing job at just removing any previous oils that was left behind on this hood of this car, but now it is time to move on to application process of carbon forged. So I already have my gloves on as well as my eyewear, and I have my microsuede applicator. So how you want to apply it is you want to open up the cap, put the cap in a safe place, you grab your microsuede applicator, and there's actually a trick on how to actually apply it. You don't want to just dump it over, you want to place the applicator on top, flip it upside down, and just work it in back and forth until you get a good amount of carbon forged on it. Then once you're done applying it to your microscope applicator, flip it back so it won't leak. Now it's time to apply it to the paint. So how you want to apply a ceramic coating is you want to apply it in a very limited area because you do not want to let it harden over time. Because if it hardens on you, unfortunately you have to repolish it. This is why I would recommend working in a 2x2 area or in a little small panel at a time. So my microscope applicator, I'll place it down, and then I'm just going to be working it in linear motions, and then I'm actually going to cross hatch it, or overlap it, if I should say, on my previous pass, just so I can make sure I get an even coating around the whole entire paint. So how long do you actually let carbon force sit on your paint? So carbon force is going to flash anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes on your paint. It all depends where you live and how hot it is. So right now here in California, it's not so hot, it's not so cold, it's just right in the middle, so I'll let it sit for 2 minutes. But in occasions, like if you live in a humid area, just wipe it right off after 30 seconds. So I will cross hatch it on the panel I applied it, just so I can ensure I get an even application where I applied it. And immediately you start noticing that carbon force sinks inside the pores of the paint. It actually makes it darker. It has diamond clarity to it. So I'll just reapply it. And then once I apply it, I'll let it sit for 2 minutes, and then I'll come back and buff it off. Now it's just time to buff it off. I always recommend using a brand new microfiber towel to remove ceramic coating, because like this, you know it's a new towel and it doesn't have any previous contamination, whether it's a wax, a sealant. You have a brand new towel. Just flip it over to the clean side and just buff it right off. And you guys can see the coated side is a bit darker than the uncoated side, and it's enhancing the shine on the car. So now that I've finished doing this small portion of this end line, now it's just time to do the rest of the hood. So all you want to do is just remove the cap, put it down somewhere safe where you won't lose it, flip over your carbon force, work it in back and forth to get an even spread, flip it back upside down, and then you'll just continue around the whole entire car. So carbon force, like I told you guys, is going to provide durable protection for up to 5 years. So within those 5 years, you can still apply a glaze, a sealant, and wax to enhance more shine and protection. But in this occasion, the professional line that we offer here at chemicalguys is going to add a super durable layer of protection to your paint, whether it's an orange car, light blue car, dark color car. It works on all types of color cars. And it's going to flash in 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Keep that in mind. And if you do have a fan, I recommend you turn it on. So like this, you have ventilated area. We always recommend applying it in an enclosed area. So like this, you keep contaminations, liquid, or anything else off the surface of the vehicle. So like this, you have a proper cure time. So you're gonna see water beading starting within 3 hours, but within 24 hours, you'll see more accelerated water beading and more hydrophobic effects. So once it cures, you grab your microfiber towel once again, you go to the surface, and you just buff it right off. And one thing I love about carbon force is comes right off. It needs no type of elbow grease. Just go to it, buff it right off, inspect it at an angle just to make sure everything is fully removed. And like this, you get the perfect application at all times. So just check out that amazing shine that carbon force left behind. So like I was telling you guys, carbon force has anti-stick technology. So say for example, 24 hours have passed, this end line drives off, goes on the highway, gets a lot of pollen, gets a lot of bird droppings. It's going to make washing it a lot more easier. So this is why we always recommend ceramic coating your car, and anybody could do it. If I could do it, you could do it. Just follow these proper steps and you can coat your ride in a short period of time. So let me just finish coating the rest of this hood, and then we'll let this end line cure overnight, and then we'll show you guys the results after. So you guys can see the epic water beading that carbon force ceramic protective coating system provides on this end line. Anyways guys, let's continue applying the ceramic coating. Alright guys, so we just finished applying carbon force onto this hood of this Hyundai. I still have the rest of the car to do, but let's just go over a quick recap on what we did. So remember, step number one before you apply any type of professional ceramic coating onto your car or ceramic coating is you want to wash, clay, and polish, then you move on to your ceramic. How do you actually wash a car that is ceramic coating? step number one is going to be choosing a pH balanced soap or a soap that has ceramic properties in it. So here at ChemicalGuys, we offer HydroSuds. HydroSuds is a ceramic infused soap that's going to add hydrophobic properties as well as revive your ceramic coating, so like this you get the durable protection for up to 5 years. In between washes, if you get light dust, light grime, light debris, you could also use HydroSpeed. HydroSpeed is a ceramic infused quick detailer that's going to remove any fingerprints, dust, debris in between washes, and as well it's infused with ceramic properties. So another question is, can I apply my favorite glaze, my favorite sealant, my favorite wax on top of a surface that has carbon force? And the answer is yes. Carbon force can be layered up with your favorite glaze, sealant, and wax, but we just recommend applying it 3 hours after, just so you can allow the properties of carbon force to actually adhere properly onto the surface, then proceed with your detail. And then last question is, how long should I keep my carbon force away from the harsh elements as well as liquids? And like I told you guys before in this video, we always recommend keeping them away from the harmful elements at least for 24 hours. So like this, you get the proper bond of carbon force on your ride. So guys, if you guys want to pick up your carbon force today, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, or you can stop by your local detail garage. It's a car lover's paradise. We have some in the UK, Canada, and US. As always guys, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys.